All right, y'all. So I'm out here getting my ICT billet on. I'm actually installing this power steering bracket. It's dark outside, so now I'm in the garage. I've been freaking working on my truck. My power steering started acting up on that, so I've been dealing with that. But anyways, this is what I'm doing now. I wanted to get at least something done on the Chevelle since that took up most of my time on my truck. So I decided to install this. So this is again from ICT Billet, and it has this relocation for the power steering, and the alternator is going to go right here. That tensioner from the water pump will be moved, and the whole bracketry and the alternator will be sitting right here. So again, I'm trying to get it to kind of look somewhat old school-ish, but still kind of have like a modern look. Very, very easy to install. Just, you could use two hands if you have that available, but I mean not two hands, but two sets of hands. It was kind of a challenge for me to get all these little spacers and all that in by myself, but ended up working out. But I mean, easy to install, y'all. I mean, I've used some ICT Billet stuff in the past, and with the directions and everything, man. I love their stuff. So this whole kit again was about $208 shipped, I believe. I think it's like $189 for the whole kit. You could also buy it separately, but I went ahead and bought it all together. Man, it works good. So this is actually the what am I trying to say? The truck relocation kit, because they have one for a like a LS1 style power steering pump, and they have one for the truck. They have one for truck spacing and LS1 style car spacing as well. So this is the one specifically for the truck. So man, it's coming together, y'all. It's coming together. So right now, everything is torqued down. Power steering to the bracket and all that, pump all that to the brackets torqued down. Now I'm just putting on the pulley. This is a little press pulley installer that I rented from O'Reilly's, and getting that done. Actually, I'm glad I rented this because it actually ended up working out for me for my truck as well. But yeah, let me go ahead and get this installed, and then I'll give you one final look at it. So one thing here, y'all, you want to make sure the pulley goes on straight as possible. You don't want it to go on crooked. I put a little bit of oil around it. Around the shaft, I just wiped some little power steering fluid around the shaft so it could go on a little bit easier. But right now, I'm just getting it right up snug to where you can see where it's where the shiny part of the shaft is, and then where the dirty, like slightly surface rusted part of the shaft is. And so I'm getting right up to that, and you'll know you're kind of right up to it when you kind of hear it popping and making noise and whatever. So I don't know if you can watch it pop. Hold on. So you hear that? Yeah, you can tell you're getting really close. It starts making that noise. And then right now, that's about it. So I'm going to give it one last snug. I think that's good. Let's see here. Let me take this off. And voila, she in there. Oh man, there's a, ooh. I don't know if I like that. Looks like there's a little bit of back and forth play Just a little bit. I don't know if that's normal. I guess we'll see. Worst case, I'll have to get another one. We'll see if it makes any noise when I'm driving, but I don't know if I really like that. I don't know. We'll see. But anyways, let me give you a closer look at it. All right, y'all. There she go. We are getting there, looking like a car again. Yeah, I don't know if I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I don't know if that's supposed to move back and forth like that. It's probably moving front to back like, God, maybe like not even 1/8 of an inch, but I don't know if they're supposed to have a little bit of play. I mean, that's kind of a lot. Ugh. This is a used power steering pump, so I don't know. It sounds smooth. I don't like that it moves like that though, but we shall see. But anyways, I mean, the good thing is, you know, if it does need one, I'll just buy another one, I guess. You know, nickel and dime, you know, these builds. So, but all in all, this thing is about the ICT Billet bracket, and I think it looks dang good. So let me know what you guys think, y'all. And just real quick before I go, y'all, so you know, I was saying how I didn't like the front and back motion of that pulley. I forgot I actually have another spare pulley here as well that came with this actual car from the cargo, or from the engine from the cargo van, and it actually does the same thing too. So just slightly, just front and back. So I don't know if that's something that's kind of standard. I don't know if they're supposed to have a little bit of wiggle. I'm not sure. But you know, I mean, I guess I'll just try to run it and see how it is, and just kind of go from there. So anyways, y'all, I just wanted to kind of chime in on that real quick. So hope you guys are enjoying everything that I'm putting out there, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Do all that good stuff. Keep continuing to follow me on this journey, man, because it's been great. It's been fun. I've been super motivated, and I'm even more motivated now that the car is getting closer and closer to being started. And man, it's gonna be awesome. So I'm waiting on one more part here for my build so I can start putting like the intake and all that stuff on. I still gotta buy an alternator. I still gotta run all the fuel lines. I still have to, which reminds me, I still gonna need to get a fuel filter. I gotta buy a fuel pressure regulator because I have the Corvette style fuel pressure regulator and filter. I was gonna run that, but the setup that I'm going for requires me to run a separate fuel pressure regulator because I've got to be able to control the pressure. I have to set it at 43 to 45. And the Corvette style fuel filter, I think, is set for like, I don't know, 58 maybe. I'm not sure. Maybe you guys might know. And I think that's kind of like internally, that's kind of like how they are set and operate. So I don't know. I don't want to run two different regulators. I don't even know if you can do that actually. So I don't know. We'll see. I might do some more research, but anyways, we'll kind of just go from there and just kind of just make things happen and whatnot. So what I'm really excited about is, let me turn this camera around, is for the first time, I don't know if you guys can see that, man. Oh no, there it is. So that's the bulkhead. So that's what basically the engine harness attaches to, man. And it's cool seeing that in there, because now I'm like, man, I'm a step closer to getting this electrical system all tied in together and make the whole thing kind of work and tied in. So man, we coming along. So anyways, I'm out, y'all. I'm done rambling. I'll see y'all later. Keep locked in because it's going down. And man, we about to make this happen. Deuces.